If you're just starting out in your spiritual journey, the first thing that you must focus on is developing a meditation habit. So, regular meditation, like 5 minutes a day, 3 times a week, that's enough. That's a good starting point in your meditation practice. So, as a beginner, the easiest thing that you can do is to simply listen to your own thoughts. Observe your thoughts. Simply sit down, stay quiet, close your eyes, then observe the stream of thoughts that will come your way. Just focus on that. The goal there is to get to a point wherein you can clearly distinguish your role as an observer of your own thoughts. Okay, so when you do this, it's not your role to follow an idea until you reach a point wherein you're basically so involved in your own thoughts. Because that's different from being a complete observer of your own thoughts. In other words, don't get pulled by your own thoughts. Be just the observer. Once you reach that point, you will notice something. You will be less reactive. You'll be able to pause in between your own thoughts. You'll have more self-control because you can clearly observe your own thoughts and see your thoughts for what they are. Eventually, you will get to a point wherein you are able to examine your thoughts without being too attached to them. So that is a very important skill in your spiritual journey and spiritual development. So start with that. Give this practice like 1 month or 2 months of consistent meditation practice. And then you will see something will change in you.